What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're gonna see, you guys said if that Gorilla Glue set it would destroy the Galant. The Jetta is, or the Jetta, oh boy, let me not say that word. Ooh, the EOS is still sitting right there. We got to get to work on that. And today we're going to dispose of the Mitsubishi Galant.
Over 60% of you guys that are watching the videos are not subscribed. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, click the bell so you don't miss future videos.
Now, the thing for me is, will she start up on her own after sitting for a few days? We're going to have to find out. I got the paperwork, the title, and all that stuff for it right here. We're going to stick the key in. Oh, and hope she starts. And if she starts, I'm going to hurriedly get her ass on the trailer. I probably should have put the Gorilla Glue in it when it was on the trailer, right? Oh my God. It runs. This thing has Gorilla Glue in the engine and it's running. I'm shocked right now. I'm blown away, shocked right now. Look at all the smoke. She's smoking like a son of a bitch. Woo! Guys, it's running. I can't believe it. I can't believe it's running. I guess that means Gorilla Glue really doesn't do shit for a motor, huh? All right, let's see if we can get her up on the trailer. Get her up out of here. Outside of a slightly flat tire, she loaded and she does run. I can't believe that it runs. I really can't. I'm really shocked that the damn thing runs. Ooh, it's about to come off the damn trailer. I'm gonna have to strap this down really tight. Really tight. All right, guys, she is loaded and strapped down, and now it's time to take this thing to the salvage yard and see what we'll get for it. All right, guys, so a lot of you guys have wondered and asked, like, how much can I get for a junk car or a scrap car? And right now, as of I guess you guys will see this at what, probably the beginning of April, right, when this video goes live, but this is around mid-March of 2021. This car, I mean, scrap prices are insanely high right now, meaning you can get a lot of money for bullshit cars. Now, the people that'll come to your house and pick up the car are still paying the same money. So they're not paying you any more for a vehicle than you got before. See, that's the thing, right? They're not going to pay you more than what you were getting before, so they're just making more money. So people that are scrapping right now are making money hand over fist, like, oh. So my total cost into this car is $453 is what I paid for it after fees and everything at Copart. Okay, title is clean, not clean, it's salvage, but meaning is no liens, no nothing against it, not that they care. But what we're gonna find out is if I can make my money back or at least break even on this car. In video content, the car has made about 140 bucks. So if I was at 453, was that 353, 313 is what I still have into the car. Now, if I'm able to get anything more than $313, that's a win. Now, that doesn't include the content or how much money this video will make, because if this video makes any money at all, then I'm winning. I win off this car. So we'll see what happens. I got some content out of it. You guys got to see how to pick up and drop off cars at Copart and all that good stuff. Now, I know some people will be like, yo, you should demolition derby this thing. I should enduro it. It ain't gonna enduro nothing. It's gonna die. And I know many people in town were like, yo, there's like an enduro race coming up. You should do something with it. And I'm like, ain't doing all that. I'm not gonna do all that. Oh, old classic SL. You probably couldn't see it, but that was nice. Well, this is the last thing I had to do before we make our way back to Texas. I am watching this car slide over more. If it goes over much more, she's gonna come off the trailer, and I am not feeling that, nor do I want to see that. So we're gonna take it nice and easy till I get there. Shit. I'm almost tempted to pull over and move the car over a foot. I think I'm gonna do that. So we got her moved over a little bit, tighten her back down. I'm only going like a mile or two. She should be fine. We'll get it in, they'll weigh it, I'll offload it, they'll tell me what they'll pay me, they'll give me my money, and I will get the F out of there. Oh, boy. Good old downtown Rayford, boy. Damn, I sounded mad southern right there for a minute. Oh, you know what? I straight missed my turn. That's all right. Luckily, I can turn up here and go get that way. Damn. Oops. Whoa. I didn't like how that sounded. All right, guys, so we are here, and if you don't know where here is, it is a scrap yard called LS Auto Salvage. There's their phone number. So basically what I got to do now is offload the car, get it off the trailer, and we're going to drive it up on the scales. So we're going to go ahead and get her offloaded now, and after that we're going to drive her through the scales. So let me set you guys up right here. We'll get her offloaded. Thing's a bitch, huh? Bunch of oil under that damn control arm and shit, all under my nail. That's awesome. Gotta love that. Strap off. Oh. All right. Alright guys, now we just got to offload the car and we're good. Ooh, you heard the lady. She said move it around. Oh, there go the oil light flashing. She said pull it around anywhere I like. We're gonna park it somewhere where it can have a nice timely death. Whew. How about in front of this old Chevy over here, huh? Well, my camera's overheating, guys, but this is her final resting place right here. She's sitting right here at the salvage yard. Made a shout out to L&S Salvage for taking her in. And yeah, let's go see what we get, shall we? See how much money this old Mitsubishi's worth. There goes the Ram over there. But that's her final resting place. And in case my camera failed because it was overheating, you basically drive in over here, you get on the scales, they get on the speaker, they tell you whether to get off or get on, all that good stuff, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna put the gimbal back in the truck and go get paid. You can see it there, L&S Auto Salvage. There's their hours. All right, guys, so we walk out with a check for $206.25. What does that mean? Let me hold this L. But one last time for you guys to be able to see it. There she is, and there she goes. She will stay there until it is crushed. But I got $206.25 in a check. Not bad. With the revenue I made on it, so I lost about $100 on that car. Like, that's a loss is a loss, but I get to write it off on my taxes. So at Copart, I paid $448.00. I made 20 something plus 100 and something. Well, maybe if this video does like 60, 70, 80, 90, $100, I won't lose any money on it. I'll feel better about it. We'll see. So that's how you scrap a car, guys. The paperwork is pretty simple. You sign a couple things that allow them to transfer the title, but the car will never be on the road again. They just have to go through the Department of Motor Vehicles to say that the VIN number is now kaput. You know, they end up crushing the car. So that sucks because they have some really nice classics out there with good bodies. And I asked, I was like, can you sell them? And they're like, nope. Once they're here, that's it. And that's crazy. It's crazy. But that's it, guys. That's how you scrap the car. The Mitsubishi is now gone. Gorilla Glue, and I even told them about the Gorilla Glue. They thought that shit was hilarious. They asked if I had removed the gas tank, and I was like, nah. Now, I would have got more money if the gas tank was removed and the tires were off the car. I know it sounds crazy, right? But they're literally a scrapyard. They don't care about auto parts. They're literally just gonna crush the car for the metal. So, you know, they didn't charge me anything. She was really cool. You know, I told her I do YouTube, whatever. They were watching my channel while I was offloading the car. So they were super cool. So shout out to the people over at L&S Salvage here in Rayford, North Carolina. Major salute to you guys. Hopefully the video came out right. I guess the camera kept stopping because the freaking phone was overheating. The only issue I've had so far with this OnePlus, but it's enough to be aggravating for sure. We'll see what happens. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Guys, if you like what I do or you like the content, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. It greatly helps me out and helps get these videos more exposure. We want to hit $100,000. I'd love to hit $100,000. We want to hit 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So help us do that by smashing that thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. Do you know that, and for you guys that are watching and that aren't subscribed, and that's about 62% in my analytic. My hands are filthy, look at that. 62% of you guys that watch this channel are not subscribed. So if you're watching it and you enjoy the content, just click the subscribe button. It's that simple. Also, before we get out of here, we have a massive giveaway going on right now. $4,500 in cash or stock. If you happen to pick crypto, it's $4,500 in whatever cryptocurrency you want. And, or let me say, whatever cryptocurrency you want that is readily available on exchanges like Coinbase, Robinhood, PayPal, things of that nature, okay? And if you pick cryptocurrency, I'm throwing in an extra 1,000 worth of Dogecoin. The full giveaway video is here on the channel. Go back a few videos. You'll find it. There's a thumbnail that says multi-channel giveaway. And we're giving away a Rolex Yachtmaster. Yep. 2 different things. I guess, I don't know what that giveaway will be valued at, but it's insane. Everybody, there's nothing, you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to do any nasty stuff with your neighbor. You ain't got to open an OnlyFans. All you got to do is be a fan, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you follow the rules in that video, and you have an opportunity to win. It's less than 30 days away. So with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all the love, all the support, and everything else. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.